Hello everyone. Welcome back to Wordivo English Tips. Today's video is about how to describe your bedroom in English. This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve daily English speaking skills. You will practice speaking confidence, daily vocabulary, simple English sentences, pronunciation, and fluency. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Part 1. Basic description. My bedroom is small, clean, and comfortable. It is my favorite place in the house because I can relax and study there peacefully. The walls of my bedroom are light blue. There is one window near my bed. The window brings fresh air and sunlight into the room. I have a single bed with a soft pillow and a warm blanket. The bed is near the wall. Next to the bed, there is a small table. I keep my phone, books, and water bottle on the table. There is also a study desk in my bedroom. I use the desk for studying, reading, and using my laptop. Above the desk, there are some books and notebooks neatly arranged. Part 2. Furniture and objects. In one corner of the room, there is a wardrobe. I keep my clothes, shoes, and bags inside it. There is a mirror attached to the wardrobe door. I use the mirror every morning before going outside. My bedroom also has a small fan and a ceiling light. At night, I switch on a table lamp while studying. On the wall, there are a few posters and a clock. The clock helps me manage my time. I also have headphones and a speaker in my room because I enjoy listening to music while relaxing. Part 3. Daily activities. I spend a lot of time in my bedroom. I study there every evening. Sometimes I watch videos or listen to English podcasts in my room. I also like reading books before sleeping. Reading helps me relax and improve my knowledge. Every morning, I clean my room and arrange my things properly. A clean room helps me feel calm and focused. Sometimes my friends visit my room and we talk, study, or play games together. Part 4. Feelings about the bedroom. My bedroom is very important to me because it is peaceful and comfortable. After a busy day, I like sitting quietly in my room and relaxing. I feel safe and happy in my bedroom. I think a clean and organized room creates positive energy and improves concentration. Even though my bedroom is not very big, I love it because it is simple and cozy. Speaking practice. Now let's practice some useful sentences together. My bedroom is small and comfortable. There is a bed near the wall. I have a study table in my room. I keep my books on the desk. I like reading in my bedroom. My room is clean and peaceful. Excellent. Extra practice paragraph. A bedroom is a personal and comfortable space. People use their bedrooms for sleeping, studying, relaxing, and spending quiet time. Every bedroom is different. Some rooms are large, while others are small. A clean and organized bedroom helps people feel calm and focused. Learning how to describe a room in English improves vocabulary and speaking confidence. Simple daily topics like bedrooms, houses, and routines are very useful for English learners. Great job! Today, you practiced how to describe your bedroom in English. Repeat the sentences daily. Practice speaking slowly. Describe your own room in English. Also watch our old videos for more English practice. Like the video. Comment my room. Subscribe to Wordivo English Tips. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep growing.